China is a very strong market, a huge market, we know that, but it's not only huge, but there is also purchasing power. So this is of course most important for companies to have good revenues and have good profits, and China is for that very much important. On top of that, as a more recent development in the last 2 to 3 years, we have a lot of innovation in China. If you see the e-car industry, they are very much advanced, so it's also important for German companies, especially for the car industry. I think for the international relation and the business between Germany and China, but also for China itself, the green transformation is one of the main driving forces. And this has a big advantage because everybody wants this. We all agree on the green transformation. Then put this in this way, the other point you already mentioned is innovation in the field of digitalization. The digitalization, the automation of the manufacturing industry is very much important, and I think there's another important field of the German-China cooperation.